With a dedication to domination, Ranger delivers top-tier aluminum fishing machines. From the tournament-ready RT series to the MPV line of Dual workhorses, these rigs are durable, affordable, and ready for anything. Ranger leads the way in innovative designs, quality, and attention to detail to create the ultimate ownership experience with renowned fishability, precision, and performance. Just a short distance down the road from the Ranger fiberglass plant in Flippin, Arkansas, lies our aluminum facility. Close proximity and our 50-plus year history allow our aluminum designs to incorporate many of the innovations that were initially rolled into our fiberglass boats. For example, every aluminum Ranger features our signature upright level flotation, broad beam stability, and our patented pull-truded fiberglass material in the transom. As an added benefit, the wiring harness and the seats for every aluminum model are made in our main Ranger facility alongside their fiberglass counterparts. This gives us an unparalleled advantage and the ability to build tailor-made features into every boat with the same quality and attention to detail that's made Ranger famous. Join us for an unprecedented look at the people and processes that make Ranger aluminum rigs come to life. Like our fiberglass models, every aluminum Ranger is backed by our 5-Star Advantage, which is an unconditional guarantee that when you join the Ranger family, you're getting a product that can be had nowhere else, thanks to the level of quality, innovation, safety, performance, and resale value built into every boat. We've built our legacy and every Ranger boat on these 5 principles and let its tenets guide us from blueprint to boat ramp. At the end of the day, these principles are powerful because we have people who are passionate about what they do and take pride in exceeding customer expectations. It's the key ingredient to our success. This year, we're forging ahead with new designs at our plant here in Flippin. Let's take a look inside and see how these legendary boats are made, still, one at a time. Our plant features state-of-the-art equipment and a passionate and dedicated workforce. Every Ranger aluminum boat is born of a 3-ton roll of 50-52 aluminum. These huge rolls are loaded onto a plasma cutting table, where they will be cut into the hull, decks, transom, and more with surgical precision. After these components are cut from the roll, they're taken to one of these massive press brakes. These precisely bend and form various pieces of aluminum into components and parts that are ready to be welded. After each has been formed, they're brought to the line to begin fabrication. The advantages of a Ranger aluminum start before the first weld is made. Many of our designs are centered by a keel extrusion that locks both halves of the hull into place, and then the entire hull bottom is welded from stem to stern. On the inside, the stringer system is force-pressed into place and welded for maximum strength and rigidity. Underneath, the hull is secured to a fixture to keep it in ideal alignment, while the stringers are secured for perfect uniformity. As we explore every phase of construction, you'll notice that there are no rivets and no wood anywhere in these boats. Every part of the hull and interior superstructure is 100% welded aluminum. At this point, cross braces are added for lateral strength and stability. Once this superstructure is complete, the hull is lifted and dropped into a dunk tank for the first of several leak checks. Once it's proven to be watertight, the floors, deck pieces, and other sub-assemblies that have been built offline are put into place. Rod tubes are installed at this point too. Now the boat is ready to receive its bow cap and gunnel extrusions. The last step in fabrication is laying down finish welds. These are the high-quality TIG welds that will be visible on the outside of the boat. Ranger craftsmen have years of experience creating functional and handsome finish welds. Once the finish welds are in place, the hull is ready to take on a wealth of signature expanding foam that adds strength, stability, buoyancy, and insulation to every design. When on the water, you won't hear any hollow-sounding hull slap from a Ranger. Just quiet strength between you and the fish that lives up to our one-piece feel interlock construction. We had a lot to live up to with Ranger's legendary one-piece feel interlock construction standards for fiberglass, and this foam is designed to deliver the same rigidity and confidence. It's added as a froth, so it bonds and clings to the interior, solidifying, quieting, and unitizing the whole. Now that we've got a solid foundation, it's time to bring it to life with the color of your choice. The whole is prepared for optimal paint adhesion, then wheeled into a paint booth where a skilled painter covers the whole side and bottom with protective, fade-resistant, high-gloss color. After the paint is dried and cured, the whole is wheeled into the finish room, where it receives its standard features and the options you selected. Most boats receive tough marine-grade carpet that's rolled out onto the decks and cockpit and secured. Others, where specified by the customer or the model, will receive our tough-as-nails rawhide coating, a spray-on polyurea finish that adds grip, durability, and a nice texture. Next, wires are run through chases from bow to stern. Now is when your Ranger starts to look like a functional boat. The fiberglass consoles are added. The consoles in a Ranger aluminum are another element that makes our design stand out. Whereas some aluminum boats feature a thin rotomolded plastic console, Ranger consoles are built out of fiberglass and formed using closed cavity bag molding process, or CCBM. This is a method of manufacture by which a console is formed by laying fiberglass over a custom console mold, then covering it with a special plastic bag. A hose is hooked up to a port, then a vacuum is pulled, filling the bag with resin that perfectly covers the fiberglass inside. This process permits a strong, intricate, and cantilever design to maximize the interior space and let you slide in and out from the driver's seat with ease. Within each console is a host of gauges, your electronics of choice, and rocker switches for simple, reliable use. After the console is secured into place, the final touches are added. The seats, which are made right here in Flippin, feature molded foam and rigid frames for extra comfort, support, and longevity. The upholstery is premium marine-grade vinyl that was selected for its hard-wearing good looks and resistance to the elements. They're color-coordinated to match the paint, and even the camouflage options are built to stand out while blending in. By building and covering every seat by hand in our own facilities, we know exactly what goes into every boat. So if a need for service arrives, we can replicate that seat perfectly. It's just another way that Ranger keeps peace of mind top of mind. When the boat's build is completed, it's cleaned thoroughly, then set on its custom-matched Ranger Trail trailer. Before being loaded onto the truck for delivery, every boat is shrink-wrapped for protection. We knew from experience that to deliver the best possible trailer, it needs to be perfectly matched to the hull it's supporting. Every Ranger Trail aluminum trailer is tailor-made for its boat to deliver years of safe, sound, and solid on-road performance. These trailers are made from channel steel and are covered in our road armor-equipped polyurea coating to deliver a finish as strong as a truck bed liner. If you live in a coastal area, consider upgrading to an all-aluminum frame for maximum corrosion resistance. Every trailer comes standard with a swing-away tongue that saves space in your garage, as well as adds peace of mind when locked to the frame. A swing jack makes rolling the boat easy when it's not hooked up to your vehicle. Each trailer is outfitted with premium radial tires that come balanced from the factory, custom wheels, hydraulic surge disc brakes, and wide fenders that act as a step-up into your boat, and a debris deflector that protects the boat's paint. For added style, safety, and smoother tracking, several Ranger models are available with the tandem axle Ranger Trail trailer. From plasma table to finish room, aluminum Ranger models stand head and shoulders above the competition. From the moment you back it down the ramp until you return it to the trailer, these boats are designed to deliver peerless performance, sterling safety, and unparalleled fishability. Our models are proven. Our heritage is unmistakable, and our best-built, best-backed warranty is unshakable. Experience the Ranger difference for yourself today. This is the hard-earned legacy of Ranger. Created to excite, engineered to excel, and built to be yours. Whether you're a current or prospective Ranger owner, we thank you for your time and interest. For us, there's no higher honor than to be able to make your dream come to life. Let us know how we can do that. Call, write, or email us today to learn how to become part of the strongest family in fishing, the Ranger family.